VaporBrands International Inc., traded under the ticker symbol VAPR and doing business as E-Cite Motors Group, an innovative electric vehicle manufacturer, announced that the video interview with its COO, legendary designer Gene Langmesser, addressing questions submitted by shareholders, is now available at www.ecite-motors.com. The interview was conducted by investor/analyst Mark Schaftlein on April 6, 2022. Subjects discussed included the company's competitive advantage over other EV auto manufacturers, the types of vehicles that will be available first to customers, plans to change the name and symbol of the company, Gene's background, and his favorite past projects. Something to note, E-Cite's vehicles are in no way categorized as kit cars, as they are manufactured new vehicles. COO Gene Langmesser commented, "I want to thank all the shareholders and interested parties that took their time to ask very inquisitive questions. I am looking forward to being able to share more updates as we move forward and encourage anyone to ask questions as details are released. I also want to express my gratitude for Mark Schaftlein for having me in his interview. He is truly as genuine as his reputation, and I welcome the opportunity to return in the future." Gene formed many teams over his career and has executed programs for both domestic and international markets. He worked his way up through all the key job classifications and has performed these tasks from art to part interfacing with the entire executive team, sales, and technical. In his career, Gene set up offices, designs, engineering, rapid prototyping, mock-ups, and fabrication facilities. He has conducted international business in Germany, Italy, England, France, Poland, and Mexico. In 2016, Gene and N2A were tasked to design and build the first ever hydrogen hybrid semi-truck by Nikola Motors. They delivered the entire carbon fiber body, all lighting, glass, mirrors, grills, emblems, full interior, dash, gauges, beds, seats, and many other aspects. In addition to leading design and product development teams and prototyping for automobile manufacturers such as Porsche, Mercedes, Lexus, Ford, Hyundai, and others, he has also created and built many movie cars and props. Most notably, the futuristic Lexus 2054, driven in Minority Report, the taxis in Taxi, fighter ships in Battlestar Galactica, the Batmobile in Batman and Robin, and the Terminator's bodies in Terminator 3. E-Cite expects to be delivering its first production vehicles for the 2023 model year. That is less than 12 months from inception to the showroom. This is possible because E-Cite's vehicles qualify under the Low Volume Vehicle Manufacturers Act of 2015. E-Cite Motors has developed a modular design that will be engineered to allow the production of vehicles utilizing a skateboard-style chassis that uses hub electric motors. As the system is fully modular, this allows for configurations ranging from low-power batteries and only a single 100 horsepower motor up to a high-powered 1,000 horsepower performance vehicle utilizing AWD and 4 250 horsepower motors. VaporBrands International, doing business as E-Cite Motors, is a publicly traded company with the ticker VAPR, based in Bothell, Washington. They are developing for manufacturing state-of-the-art electric vehicles utilizing the latest in technologies with a flair of some of the iconic autos of the past. VAPR recently acquired 100% ownership in E-Cite Motors, Acclaimed Automotive, and N2A Motors, a California-based custom auto manufacturer and car factory specializing in designing, engineering, and building prototype, concept, and limited production vehicles for OEMs, corporations, movies, and private owners. To contact VaporBrands International Inc., doing business as E-Cite Motors, email ceo@vaporbrands.com or visit their website, www.ecite-motors.com.
Nothing in this video and or on this web page should be construed as, and may not be used in connection with, an offer to sell, or a solicitation of an offer to buy or hold an interest in any security or investment product.